How to delete comments on Instagram 2023. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, open your Instagram app and then just go to the profile and choose your post. Here you want to remove the comment. Here is a comment on my post. So if I want to remove this comment in on iPhone, you can just swipe and you can see the delete button. But in case on Android, just tap and hold and you can see pin button and delete button is showing there. So if you want to pin this comment, you can also pin, and if you want to delete the comment, then click to that delete button. After that, you can see delete, the comment is now deleted. So that is the process I can delete the comments on Instagram. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting content. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.